Hey guys, Mike is back with another video. Long time you guys didn't see me, so straight to the point. YANKA speakers I order from Amazon, of course, and we're gonna take a look what the speakers present. As you can see, one, it's installed already in the box, same video. You're gonna see the sound quality. I'm gonna compare with the very expensive speakers, with the cheap speakers. All right, the pretty basic, the grill, of course, is gonna be saving your speaker from the problems. The wiring harness is very thin wires. I suggest you don't use these wires because the advertising RMS power is a lot higher, so this wires is not going to be any good for the wires. The fit and finish is nice. The speaker itself, aluminum on the top, like the basket, and the coated on top, so you're gonna have very minimal resonance, right? So it's gonna be two-way for watts impedance, 500 watts. The maximum power, of course, you're not gonna get the 500 watts even close, so you're gonna see it. But overall fit and finish is really nice. Of course, it's gonna be plastic areas, and the tweeter is like a basic tweeter, nothing less. But for the price you guys paying, I'm gonna compare with the Pioneers, like a bigger name, the speakers, right? On this video, the little sticker on the back, it says Amazon and YANKA, so it means they will sell only on Amazon. It's really good. If you don't like the speaker, you can easily turn it back, and the glues, everything is like a spider. Everything is like fit and finish. It's, they can sell like $80 more than like $90 speakers, all the same. No filtrations on the speaker itself, on the base, so it means 100% how you tune your audio, it's going to go through, and only the filtration on the the big capacity, 500 milli capacitor, so it's gonna be for the tweeter, so tweeter is gonna be playing a lot higher. And we're gonna test the sound demo, the both speaker. I want to play the different song, different music, and we're gonna see how much the sound difference. Of course, we're running the spectrum analyzer, so you can see the sound difference if you just lazy and watching on your phone, right? Make sure you use the headphones, and let's go. I'm gonna play the couple music, sound quality, and we're gonna throw the tons of power, tons of bass, and we will see how it's gonna be handling the both speaker. Whatever button I pressed on this side or on that side, it's gonna be that speakers will play. Of course, at this point, the Pioneer is always the maximum because it can't handle any more the bass. It's getting a little bit start of distortion. If I add a little bit more power, the volume, it's going to be Pioneer. You're going to get very distortion. Tweeters, as you can see, surprisingly very nice and clean, crisp tweeter. A lot of details on the tweeters on YANKA, and let's play a little bit louder.
Like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why. Always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time that you on a Friday. Halfway out at the door of the club, playing soul on the weekends, staying back till Wednesday. Fell in love with you right there and then. I was young, couldn't see that.
As you can see, not much. The tweeter is not the clear. It is like very flat. Definitely, guys, if you're in the market for the Pioneer, definitely add some money and get the YANKA. You have a lot wider, cleaner sound output. Also, you're gonna be even you install the amplifier, you're gonna be fine with the YANKAs, right? So that's why always I'm telling the guys, like, watch the reviews, right? All the the car audio stuff. They try to advertise in BS, and here you can see, even you can see the sound analyzing. It shows you how much the YANKA is brighter and louder at the same power output. How I'm running is both. It's going to be on a single channel, adds like a plus and minus. It's through the loop, right? It's just from the button. That's it. Nothing else. So this speaker sells a lot, but guys, add up a little bit, $10 to $12, and get a decent speaker. So later on, you can add the amplifier, you can run a lot nicer and cleaner sound. You will enjoy your music, right? I'm out also in the next video, guys.